Hello everyone, here we are on a Wednesday afternoon, the 4th of December, 2019. It's a little dreary out today. The weather was overcast. Just as we finished up this flight, there was a few raindrops in the air and a real raw feeling day. Not a good day for drone flying, but that's the way it goes. Yeah, you can see the changes around the house there on Clearview Road. Not a whole lot's been done since we been out flying last time. So usual applies. Down in the comment section there'll be a link down there to take you back to the previous video of this flight. You can check any differences out. Have a good day everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.